In today's review, we will be exploring the portable solar generator 300W power station, which comes bundled with a 60W foldable solar panel. This product aims to meet the needs of outdoor enthusiasts, emergency preparedness advocates, and anyone looking for a reliable source of power when off the grid. The portable solar generator is designed with versatility in mind. With a power output of 300 watts, it can effectively support a variety of devices, such as smartphones, laptops, lights, and small appliances. This generator is particularly useful for camping trips, tailgating events, or during power outages. Its compact design makes it easy to transport, and it can be conveniently stored in a vehicle or carried in a backpack. One of the standout features of this power station is the 60W foldable solar panel. This panel can harness sunlight to recharge the generator, providing a sustainable energy source in remote locations. The foldable design enhances portability, allowing users to set up the panel in optimal sunlight without taking up much space. It is important to note that the charging speed may vary depending on the intensity of the sunlight and environmental conditions. In terms of connectivity, the generator is equipped with multiple output options, including AC outlets, USB ports, and DC ports. This enables users to charge or power several devices simultaneously. The inclusion of a built-in LED display provides real-time information about battery status and power output, helping users manage their power usage effectively. When using the portable solar generator, it is advisable to familiarize oneself with the user manual, which outlines the best practices for charging and usage. The generator operates quietly, making it suitable for use in noise-sensitive environments, such as campsites or during nighttime. Additionally, the device is designed with safety features to prevent overload and short-circuiting, contributing to a worry-free experience. In conclusion, the portable solar generator 300W power station with the 60W foldable solar panel presents a practical solution for those in need of an independent power source. Its combination of portability, versatility, and sustainable energy options makes it an appealing choice for outdoor activities and emergency situations. As always, potential users should consider their specific power needs and review the specifications to ensure this generator aligns with their requirements.